What's going on, guys? My name is Derek. I like cars, and Scoop just tried to catch on fire. So at the moment, I'm in Boise. I'm actually about to head back to Salt Lake right now. I just pulled into this gas station and put my handbrake up and saw smoke come out from the e-brake hole. So I rushed to get my tools because I saw smoke coming out from here and fumbled with them for like a good 45 seconds before seeing that this wire is it's a little bit fucked, Chief. That was the wiring for my halos that are no longer on the car. And I deduced what happened is, the wiring managed to come uncrimped from the switch, and I assume shorted out on something. I haven't looked in here yet. Can't even see. It's the insulation, so hopefully none of that caught fire, because that'll be cool if it's still burning. So I guess if you're not running anything, disconnect your wiring, because that can happen if you don't crimp it well enough. I can't remember if I crimped it or Duncan did, but I assume I did since it broke. So Taylor's on his way here with a 10 mil so I can disconnect this terminal and pull the rest of the wiring out. Yeah, it's a good time. I do have a couple of videos in the pipes, 2 related to autocross and 1 car review coming soon. Just have to get it all edited, so this is here to hold you over and you can laugh at my pain. Subaru.